Road trains Pacquiao and watch him. Manny Pacquiao is a... It could be a big factor late in the fight. Perfect right hand by Pacquiao. Right hook. Stun. Pacquiao trying to finish it. He's to get it done. One of the most vicious finishers in the sport. Velasquez in big trouble now. Increasing accuracy. Making a difference to Velasquez. And now Pacquiao crowd. Good right hand to Pacquiao. What's it? The Mexican players like Pacquiao. Morales, weekly fight match. Some big boy. Not cold. Right up. And down he goes. Another. That hard. Takes a lot of energy to start those. That's a huge left hand shot. And the right hand shot, Julio shot. And you heard Julio saying hit him in the belly. And down goes. This is some prison. Swing away again. And Bill Clinton. The best rounds of that's very strong. Down in the looks like he's starting to pop a little bit, and down he goes.
You want to fight? The fight is not going to develop like that. You talk from South Africa? No idea. Nation in the eyes of red rubber. Third round.
Steady combination.
Ang una sa ating listahan ay ang laban niya kay George Solis. Ating panurin kung paano bugbugin ni Manny Pacquiao si Solis.
They get both the families. He's in trouble and down goes Solis. It's over. Solis sent down for the second time. Cinco. On the apron of the ring. Ocho. Nueve.
2. Ang ating pangalawa sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Julio, kung saan natikman ni Julio ang mapait na kabiguan mula sa ating kababayan. Ating panoorin kung paano nga binugbog ni Manny Pacquiao itong si Julio.
And by Pacquiao, and you heard Julio's corner saying hit him in the belly, and down goes Julio.
It was a perfect execution of what he was told in the corner. Double jab from left hand, he did it like a wrestling. Going behind the double jab and bottom of the left hand. Hit him twice in a row, the second one, drop Julio.
This is some prospect, Bobby. To me, he's every bit as exciting as Princess Saint Manet. Those three touchdowns will in effect. Might be the best. Pacquiao didn't get ready to swing it again. And Bill Clancy's seen it up.
3. Ang ating pangatlo sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Hector Velasquez, kung saan nawala ang yabang nito sa ibabaw ng ring na matikman niya ang mga solidong suntok ng ating pambato sa kanyang pagmumukha. Ating panoorin paano tinuro ng leksyon ang hambog na boksingerong ito.
He's gotta get up. He has to beat the count. He has to beat the count. What the? Can't be safe for the bell. Does he want to get out of it?
Four. Ang ating pangapat sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Erik Morales sa pangatlong pagkakataon, kung saan pinakita ni Manny Pacquiao na hindi siya ang pinakamagaling na boksingero, kundi ang ating pambato. Pinakita dito ni Manny Pacquiao paano niya pinasuko itong palaban na si Erik Morales. At itong hayag kung paano pinataob ni Manny Pacquiao itong si Morales.
Nice counter by Erik Morales. Oh, there's a knockdown by Manny Pacquiao. Oh, and another beautiful right hook. Oh, God, Morales is look at Manny trying to finish. Several shots to Erik Morales is done. Now they're trying to shake it off. If he's been hurt, Pacquiao knockdown. That's the fight. That's it. That should be it. Unbelievable. Morales is a true gladiator. This is saying down goes Morales again. Again he's down. And the look on Erik Morales' face. Looks like he doesn't want anymore. That's it. He's already dead. He says that's it. Oh my gosh. Oh, Lucas. I never seen. Ready now.
5. Ang ating palima sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Lucas Matisse.
The best rounds of Matisse United. Which, I don't know, it's easy paying off today. He's looking
Ang ating pangalan sa listahan ay walang iba kundi ang kanyang nakalaban dito na si Marco Antonio Barrera, kung saan minaliit ang kakayahan ng ating pambato. Ating tunghayan panoorin kung paano nga ba nilamutak ang pagmumukha ng ating pambato itong si Marco Antonio Barrera. Ang ating pampito sa listahan ay walang iba kundi ang laban nila ni David Diaz, na kung saan siya rin nagmaliit sa kakayahan ng ating pambato. Ating tunghayan at panoorin kung paano nga ba pinahalik ng ating pambato sa luna itong si David Diaz. Ang ating pangwalo sa listahan ay walang iba kundi si Ricky Hatton, na patutulog daw ng ating pambansang kabao. Ating tunghay at panoorin kung paano nga ba pinatulog ni Manny Pacquiao itong agresibong boksiyero na si Ricky Hatton.
challenge in his last Manny Pacquiao comes out 2 minutes into the opening round and he's already Ray Roach predicted the third round. He said it was a joke to annoy Mayweather. He might have been a little too conservative and has in trouble again. Final 10 seconds of round 1 and has it down for the second time.
9. Ang ating pasiyang sa listahan ay ang laban nila ni Erik Morales sa pangalawang pagkakataon. Ating tunghayan panoorin kung paano binawi ni Manny Pacquiao ang corona dito sa Mexican fighter.
We thought Morales was going down. Oh, and he does drop that to the side of the head that finally dropped. Just over a half minute to go. Plenty of time for Pacquiao to find the right. Oh, and a beautiful combination. Well, Gus Morales made more than just a powerful fighter.
10,
Ang ating pang-10 sa listahan ay walang iba kundi ang nakalaban niya dito, yung higanting si Miguel Cotto. Ating tunghay at panoorin kung ilang bisis pinaluhod ni Manny Pacquiao itong higanting boksingero.
He can switch to the answer shot. Oh, nice movement from Cotto. The Puerto Rican crowd has gone silent. Pacquiao. There is no limit, it seems, to
Kung nagtatapos ang ating 10 knockout wins na nagmula sa ating pambato na si Manny Pacquiao. Ikaw, idol, ano masasabi mo sa performance pinakita dito sa video ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment ko niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin na mag-ingat.